Do you want your Samsung Note to look more personal or more professional, or maybe you want a custom background that helps you write, sketch, or plan better? Good news, Samsung Note on the Galaxy S25 Ultra lets you set any image from your gallery as a custom back template. This means you can use photos, grid, planners, or anything you like as the background of your note. To do so, open Samsung Note app and open any note you want to customize. Tap the three dots in the top right corner, then tap Back Template. Scroll down the screen, tap plus icon next to Custom Template, then select Gallery. Choose the image you want to use as the background. If the image doesn't fit the page, drag the frame to select the exact part you want. If needed, you can adjust the opacity slider if you want the background to be lighter or more transparent. Tap done to apply it. And that's it. Your note now has a fully custom background. Given to its function, this feature is great for creating study note, planners, aesthetic journal, or clean writing template. Using your own page template makes your note look unique and more useful for whatever you are working on. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.